After a rare opening day loss for the DLSU's Lady Spikers, head coach Ramil De Jesus admits that the lack of experience played a major role in their defeat to the NU Lady Bulldogs. The defending champions overpowered the Lady Spikers in straight sets in front of over 16,600 fans at the Malvage Arena. It was La Salle's first opening day loss in more than a decade, the last time dating back to March 9, 2013 against the UST Golden Tigresses. One key struggle for La Salle is playmaking. Starting setter Juliana Tolentino managed only 5 excellent sets out of 42 attempts compared to NU's Lams Lamina, who had 20 out of 78. De Jesus stressed the importance of having a reliable setter. He also credited NU's chemistry and composure, noting that the Lady Bulldogs core players have been together since high school. Now, in his 28th season, De Jesus remains confident that La Salle will adjust and improve despite several challenges, including preseason recruitment.
Actually, every year nag-evolve yung volleyball eh. So, ang challenge ngayon kung kayang maka-adapt lalo na sa recruitment kasi yung problema eh. Recruitment kasi pagka medyo active ka sa pagre-recruit and then yung lahat ng class A na player na kukuha mo, advantage sa team mo yun. Pero kung kukuha ko ng mga class B, mapakahirap i-develop and then isabay doon sa mga class A. Mahabang proseso yun. Expected ko na to na medyo kakalog yung setter ko kasi bata pa yun. Experience ko, first time sa UAP. So, inaantay ko lang na sabi ko sa kanya, yung first game maintindihan ko pero susunod na game hindi na first game yun. So dapat medyo stable na. So hopefully next game namin stable yung setter namin. Sa kanila, kaya naman natatalo sa game eh. Basta alam mong natalo ka pero natuto ka. Yun importante eh, natalo ka, natuto ka. Pero kung natalo ka, tapos wala ka natutunan, talagang talo ka na. Importante, natalo ka and may natutunan ka sa pagkatalo mo and then ready ka i-correct yan sa susunod ng mga years.